Hey guys, welcome. A lot of people have been asking me the lightning kit I'm using for my studio. These are the lightning kit I'm using. These are newer lightning kit. I bought this light 4 years ago. The good thing about it is they keep going. So I'm just gonna plug it on for you to see. Bought this 4 years ago, and this is the second one. So these are the lights that I'm using in my studio. I'm gonna turn it off because once the light is on, it will blind up the camera. But you can see they keep going. These are newer light kit. Switch is on and off from this control here, and this is the second one. So these are the lights. You can extend it, can bring it up, extend it up and down, adjust the height the way you like it. You can also adjust the leg and bring it close, collapse it, or bring it very close this way, or you open it up and also open it this way and push it down. So it's very flexible, and once you open it up, then you tighten it so that you can get steady balance. They are not new, but I'm happy with it. They have done a great job. The same thing applicable to this one as well. This is the bulb for this light. The only thing is when the bulb is not working, then you need to get a bulb. This is the only thing that you need. Bought this 4 years ago, and keep going. Photographic, continuous lighting, photo studio equipment. This professional kit is perfect for advertising product, photo art, industrial science. I use it for my YouTube studio, and I'm happy with it. Thank you.